Welcome everyone. Today we're going to take a look at the Boceuc test lead kit. This is the kit number 175. The response to the previous videos on the Boceuc product were so positive. The company actually reached out to me and said, hey, you know what? We've got another lead kit that we think you might like. And I actually really like it a lot. So let's open this up and take a look at it. First, we get a really high quality set of very limp, very flexible, silicone insulated, also safety banana jack connections on here, straight for the probe end, angled for the meter end. You can flip them around, it doesn't matter. But these are a great set of leads for this kit. Now let's take a look at some of the other goodies that come in this kit. We've got some probes. The probes do have insulated covers. You can pop those insulated covers off and have the full probe exposed like this, not a problem. You can also, when you have this probe on the wire like that, you can also take and put these piercing probes on. Make sure you get them lined up and then get them fully seated. They do have a protective cap on the tip, so make sure you pull that off. And then they are really sharp and really hard. So these probes are great for piercing in and getting a reading where you otherwise wouldn't be able to. Again, these are really good probes for sneaking in the back of automotive connections that are watertight, have a silicone seal that you need to get around. These are great for that. If you don't want these probes on there, no problem, take them off. These are super big, wide opening alligator clips. Yeah, they are crazy. So a lot of flexibility there. These, you're going to take the probe off and you're going to plug these right in the cable. These are really strong springs. They have teeth. They are going to hang on to that signal that you want so bad. And then next comes my favorite. These are the piercing grippy style leads. I don't have a really good name for them, but anyway, they're going to pop out a very fine set of hooks on the front here. They're going to pop right out, and then you're going to release them and they're going to grab a hold of whatever it is you're trying to measure, and they're going to clamp on like a vise. These things are excellent at grabbing and holding on to something that you're trying to measure where there's a lot of vibration or movement or it's tough to get to. These get you back away from where you're trying to probe, use it like a hypodermic, and send that probe tip out to grab a hold of whatever you're trying to measure. So, you know, another home run in my mind from this company. They have definitely got my attention for really good, decently priced test lead kits. I'm overwhelmed with how nice these are for the money. So do I recommend the 175 kit as well as the other ones I've done? You bet I do. I think these are a great value.